Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you do an alien autopsy? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic. Now don't forget to obviously subscribe to the channel for tons of really fun and silly ideas that you can use in your scouting program. Now today I'm going to teach you how to do a really fun activity that I did on a space themed camp, which is an alien autopsy. Now what we had was everyone obviously in their usual outfits, lab coats, pens, and clearly this. And what we did was we had a tent between the main tent, so they had to go in and had to put on an overcoat type thing in a usually what you'd put on for painting, and then go into it, so like a decon chamber. It was absolutely hilariously funny. But the idea is you need to prepare your eggs. So you're going to make alien eggs. Now what you're going to need is you're going to need some balloons, possibly random colours. You're also going to need some sweets like star mix, basically ones that have like hearts, or you can also use strawberry laces for like intestines. You can use eggs for obviously what they've eaten. You could also have teddy bears in there if they've obviously eaten as well, and different random things. You could even just put the entire bag of star mix in there, okay? And you also need a jug, and you need to make some jello or jelly. So obviously put it in melted hot water, make it liquefied, and then use that as well as the star mix in your balloon. And then once you've done that, put it in the fridge and you get something rock solid, and it's an alien egg. And then you're going to give an alien egg to every single cup or scout or whatever, whichever you're going to do it, and some tweezers, so they're not going to hurt themselves. The idea is they need to first of all take off the skin, so they're going to use the tweezers to obviously take off the balloon, so obviously make a hole in the skin. Alright, and then once they've done that, so you can obviously get them gloves as well, because this is obviously extraterrestrial material, so they don't want to get it. And then they get like this really gunkified, iced embryo, and then from there you're going to ask them to try to get the heart out without damaging it, like so, and so on and so forth. So different things. So they've got to gather these up, and the ones that obviously get them in perfect condition obviously wins. And it's really fun to obviously do dissections, but it's with an alien egg that clearly is not living. You've just really created it, and oh, everything is edible. But that was a bit rock solid. I didn't expect that. It's a really fun and silly way to obviously get into science, but also you can do various different experiments. So you can do, we did like pH tests on certain things. So whilst you're in this science lab, you can do all sorts of silly things with science and space. This is a silly one, but you could also do some real ones as well. If you like this video, then obviously give it a thumbs up and share it around, and don't forget to cheekily subscribe as well. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye!